Did you know in Chennai there are 5-star hotels which offer you more than luxury experience for you to stay? The comfort, warmness of service and fabulous breakfast make us cherish every moment we stay in here. Only 12 km from airport and 3.5 from US consulate, Accor Metropolitan is at T.Nagar, the business, entertainment and shopping area in Chennai. First time you enter the lobby, you will feel the sense of luxury. As you wander through spacious lobby, you will admire the majestic beauty of the interior. Of course, they're gonna offer you the welcome drink and the process of check-in is super easy and comfortable. And there's gonna be one person who in charge to take our luggage from the lobby to the room. And this is our superior queen room with the price around $95 per night. The room are soundproofing with flat screen TV and satellite channel. We have kettle and 2 bottle mineral water and other amenities are quite complete and they also have some snack but it's need to pay again. Let's check out our amazing closet. When we open the door, the light will be turned on automatically. We have bathrobe and ironing stuff and in other side, we have safety box, pillows, and also slippers. One of favorite spots that I love from this room are the bathroom itself. I love how they put a different combination of marble in the wall which create luxury, minimalist, and also modern sense. The shower amenities are quite complete and I love the exclusive packaging that they create and of course they have a hair dryer. One of reason why I'm gonna back to the Accor Metropolitan to stay again is the food itself. The breakfasts are amazing. It's like you are having the buffet at prestigious restaurant. And as a coffee lover, this coffee machine is one of reason our satisfy having breakfast in this hotel. Many of time when we have breakfast at the hotel, the taste of the food are regular and forgettable. But not in this hotel. Every food that they serve have their own special taste that make our desire to get it for more. The breakfast serve Western menu, Asian menu, and of course they a lot of Indian culinary. The chefs are doing great job with each every menu that's served in this breakfast. Let me show you where we can spend relaxing and enjoyable times with your partner in this hotel. And welcome to swimming pool area. Not only you can swim without sunburn, but you also will have amazing view from the terrace. Another alternative that we can spend time in this hotel is we can go to the spa or salon. And also for you who like to exercising, we have a gym area. Even the place is not too big, I think it's quite useful with many variety of gym equipment. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventure in India.